Dear students, let's do exercise 6b. It's question number 4. Simplify each of the following ratios. Ratios are given to you. First A part is 20 ratio 45. Let's do it. 20 ratio 45. Okay. 20 and 45 both have a common factor, which is 5. So 20 divided by 5 gives us 4 and 45 divided by 5 gives us 9. So the simplest form of 25 ratio 45 is 4 ratio 9. Okay students, the B part is 2.5 ratio 6. This is a decimal number. In this question you will learn how to deal with a decimal number. First, change this ratio, write it in the fraction form. 2.5 in the numerator and 6 in the denominator. We will write it in the fraction form. Then the next step is changing the decimal number into fraction. When we will change 2.5 into fraction, it will becomes 25 upon 10, and this multiplied by 6 is this. Now we have got 25 upon 60 because 10 times 6 gives us 60. Now we will change it into its simplified form, or the lowest term. 25 and 60 both have a common factor, which is 5. So we will divide. 25 divided by 5 gives us 5 and 60 divided by 5 gives us 12. 5 upon 12, or in ratio form we can write 5 is to 12. 5 ratio 12. Now the C part. C part is 1331 ratio 121. Okay, 121 is a factor of 1331. So 1331 divided by 121 gives us 11, and 121 divided by 121 gives us 1. So its ratio is 11 is to 1. Let's do its D part and its E part. This is the D part. 2 weeks ratio 10 days. Okay students, you can see this, the unit of this ratio is weeks and the other is days. The ratios are different. The units are different. First we have to make the units same. This is in weeks and this is in days. Okay, we will change the days into weeks. We will change the weeks into days. 2 weeks and 10 days. It's very simple and easy to change weeks into days. That's why we will change weeks into days. 1 week equals 7 days. 2 weeks has 7 2s are 14 days. Now instead of 2 weeks we will write 14 days, because 2 weeks has 14 days and 10 days. Now days, the ratios, units are same. Now we can further simplify it. 14 and 10 both have a common factor, which is 2. That's why 14 divided by 2 gives us 7, and 10 divided by 2 gives us 5. So 7 ratio 5. The simplified form of 2 weeks 10 days is 7 ratio 5. Now after doing D part, we will do its E part. 1 day ratio 14 hours. Look, again the ratio the units are different. Our first focus should be to make the units same. We will change the days into hours. 1 day has 24 hours. So instead of 1 day we will write 24. Means that 1 day has 24 hours and this is 14 hours. Now the both the ratios has same units, hours. That's why now we can change it into simplified form. 24 and 14 both have a common factor, which is 2. 24 divided by 2 gives us 12, 14 divided by 2 gives us 7. Now 12 ratio 7 is the simplified form. Students, mm, the concepts which I am doing with my pencil, it means that these are mental arithmetic. It's not compulsory or mandatory to write it. The actual question starts from here. Pencil means that it is mental work. You can solve this conversion in your mind and you can directly start your question from here. But when you will do it on your classwork notebook, you have to do it just like as I have done it. But when you will do it in your exam, you can do these conversions in your mind, because maybe you have not much time. So the pencil work can be done in the mind.